What's up guys, and the foldable war is on. Huawei has just announced its foldable phone, the Huawei Mate X is now official, and today we're doing a comparison with the Galaxy Fold and see how these two first of their kind products stack up. And before we get into this, I just want to remind you that I am giving away a Galaxy S10. To enter this giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and leave a comment on my unboxing video. Link will be down below in the description. So we talked about the Galaxy Fold. It's a 7.3-inch tablet that folds inwards to become a 4.6-inch small handy phone. Samsung's vision with the foldable phone right now is to create a perfect tablet slash small handy phone hybrid foldable device. The Mate X, however, takes a different approach. So instead of a 7.3-inch tablet display, it has a 8-inch tablet display that folds outwards. The outward folding is what gives this device an edge over the Galaxy Fold, because with the help of outward folding, it gives you two more displays on each side. So on one side you get a 6.6-inch display, which is nearly bezel-less. On the other side you get a 6.3-inch display with triple cameras on the back, which because of the fold can be used for taking selfies as well. Three cameras that are similar to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro families. We've got a telephoto lens, wide angle, ultra wide angle, all that goodness. Just because of its outward folding, there is no need for the front camera, and I think that is game changing, because in smartphones the front cameras can never be as good as the back camera. So the Mate X is also the slimmest foldable phone in the world, coming at 5.4mm thickness, no gap at all, and even in folded state it's about 11mm thinner than the Galaxy Fold. Now because of these three displays, the Mate X can do something which is incredible. If you're taking photo of someone, that someone can actually see their picture in real time, their portraits in real time on the other side of the foldable display, which is absolutely incredible. Not only that, it's the first ever 5G foldable phone with 55 watts of fast charging. It is absolutely insane, more than any other phone out there. As much as I like the Samsung approach, Huawei definitely wins it. With their outward folding, the game is completely changed. You get displays on each side. In total, you have 3 OLED displays to play with. The only thing that is better here with the Galaxy Fold is obviously its size, because it can get really small, but still it is definitely not as thin compared to the Huawei Mate X. And Mate X, obviously, thanks to its outward folding, it gives you total of 3 displays to play with, which is amazing. Now you cannot take selfies on the Huawei Mate X in the tablet phone because there is no front camera. And if you think about it, it does make sense, because taking a selfie in the tablet phone isn't the best way. I mean, it's gonna be hard to hold it with one hand. Obviously, you'll be stretching out your hand from your face and there's a good chance you will drop it. So it makes sense that you'll be folding your phone anyways to take the selfie. And since it is having the outward fold, you don't really have to have the front camera. The back camera can be utilized as a selfie camera, which is pretty genius. I mean, for the foldable phone, I don't think it needs a front camera. Back camera can be used for everything. In Samsung's case, since the fold is inward, they had to include camera everywhere, so there's a dual camera in the tablet mode, which when folded gets hidden. That's why they had to add another camera in the 4.6-inch phone. The good thing about the Galaxy Fold is that even if it's not folded, you will still be able to take selfies. And with applications like Instagram, where you use the front camera and sometimes you switch back and forth at the same time when recording a story, so that is something possible with the Galaxy Fold. But because of just one camera setup on the Mate X, that actually might not be possible. But again, that's not a huge deal for most people. In all honesty, I think Huawei wins the foldable game because of their inward fold. I think it's definitely ahead of the Galaxy Fold. It is the first generation product from both brands. We're definitely going to see improvement. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, which one you think is the better one here. Another aspect of this is the software, which looks pretty good on both phones. Samsung has demonstrated its software approach, like you can use 3 applications on one display at the same time to perform true multitasking. Hopefully the Mate X will also come with these type of software tricks. Again, we'll see how it goes when these devices are actually out to the public. Now Samsung will still be able to dominate because of its OLED productions. As Ice Universe says that there will be about 1 million fold units this year, whereas the Mate X will only get about 200,000 units because the supplier is BOE company. So I guess Samsung will in the end sell more of its foldable phone worldwide. With that being said, the Mate X will cost you $2,600, which is definitely a lot expensive, $600 expensive compared to the Galaxy Fold, which is coming at near $2,000. Again, these are the first generation products. With more foldable phones coming out, you'll definitely see these pricing to go down. Hopefully, I'll be able to get my hands on one of these. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What a time to be alive. I mean, it is super exciting seeing this innovation coming through. I can't wait to use this and try it out. Comment below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.